Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with a wonderful, informative, you must hear video. If you've read the title, you're here to know exactly how to make your water healthier and change regular water into alkaline water. And it's so simple, it's so easy, and it's affordable. So for those of you who don't want to spend a lot of money on these expensive alkaline water bottles like your girl did, okay, I'm going to show you an easier way to change your water and alkaline it for a healthier body, okay? Now let me explain to you what alkaline water is and how it's going to change your life. On my research, I found two simple, easy ways to change your regular drinking water into alkaline water within minutes. So simple, so easy, okay? Now you don't have to invest in one of these expensive water bottles. This is a 32-ounce alkaline water bottle that I bought on my own from a company called DYLN. Now this is an awesome product. It does what it does. It's beneficial to your health. But you don't have to spend almost $50, which is basically how much this water bottle itself costs along with the diffuser. I spent $49.99 for this water bottle. Really? Now this will transform your water into high pH alkaline water within minutes. Now this increases your pH water up to 9.5 and reduces the ORP, which is your oxidation reduction potential, and it decreases it down to 150 in order to make your water alkaline and oxidant. It also makes your water hydrating and detoxifying. So this is a wonderful way to drink healthier water and more beneficial to your body than regular spring water, fresh water. Yeah, it's a healthier way of doing that. But you can save yourself a lot of money. A lot of money. And what I did was I found this little deal, okay? This is a 64-ounce water bottle. Now you know your girl don't like to drink water, so this is a beneficial and better way for me to drink my water. This I bought from Walmart and I paid only $19 and change for this 64-ounce towel hydrating water bottle. It's the same as the DYLN. It's coated, it's stainless steel. It's double wall vacuum insulated. It keeps your hot beverages hot for up to 12 hours and your cold beverages cold for up to 24 hours. It's better or just the same as those coldest water bottles because it does the same. It's double insulated, vacuum sealed. So that's what it's going to do. Keep your stuff hot and keep your stuff low, but for a cheaper price. So for those of you going out there spending all this money on these water bottles, you can do your shopping. Now like I said, this one was $19 and change at Walmart. They also have, say, the 40-ounce bottle ones for $16 and change. Same thing, just a very big dip in your price range. You can get the same benefits for much cheaper. The DYLN products, they're very expensive. For a 20-ounce bottle of their water bottle, you're spending $44.99. And for the 32-ounce, you're spending $49.99, which is this one. For a 40-ounce water bottle from DYLN, you're spending $54.99 for one of these. Slightly bigger than this. Slightly. And for a 16-ounce bottle, you're spending almost $40, which is $39.99. Expensive. Like I said, for a 40-ounce bottle of this, you're spending $16 and change. And for this 64-ounce bottle with the carrying handle, PBA safe, as well as a drinking spout, okay, for drinking your water, I spent $20 for this one, okay. Now let's get to what makes it alkaline. What makes the water alkaline are these wonderful little diffusers, okay. And these little diffusers have little beads, okay. They have little beads that breaks down your water, raise the pH, and gets rid of all of that excess pollutants, heavy metals in it. Now, these contain little stones in them. We call them beads, but they're little stones. One of the stones is tourmaline stone. And what tourmaline stone does is it speeds up the body's metabolism, it maintains the skin's elasticity, and it also promotes blood circulation. This also contains a stone called germanium stone, and that helps the body with absorbing and digesting. It also breaks down the water molecules to microclusters in order to bring hydration to your skin. And lastly, one of the stones in here is far infrared ray stone. That purifies the water through the removal of chlorine impurities as well as the heavy metals. So this little diffuser is what does it all for your water. Now, on DYLN, they have different packages as far as these are concerned. This little diffuser, one of these is $10.79 by itself. It's a very small diffuser. In the DYLN, this has its own little ways of holding it in place, which is okay. But you don't have to get all fancy like that, because all you gotta do is drop this, and that's what I did in here. That's what you hear clunking around in there. Okay, I just dropped one of these little things inside my water bottle, and within minutes turns my natural spring water into alkaline water. All right, now like I said, DYLN has these, and they have little packages for these, which if you just want to buy these plus a water bottle like this, a safe water bottle at Walmart, that's the cheaper route. Okay, now like I said, this is $10.79 for one. They also have a double pack for $19.79, a 4-pack for $35.99, and an 8-pack for $64.99. And these are good for up to 400 uses. So up to 400 refills in your water bottle, that's what these are good for. You toss them, you put in another one. But Walmart has an alkaline water stick, which I'll put up over here or over here. Now this alkaline water stick is 2 long sticks for $7.99. So you're saving yourself right there $3 just on the diffuser stick alone. That's awesome. And the alkaline water stick contains 13 minerals that's going to make your water much healthier for you to drink. Now, these 2 water bottles are made of the same material. They're BPA friendly. They're both double wall vacuum insulated. They're both leak proof, BPA and lead free, condensation free, which means you're not going to get any sweating on the outside of your water bottles. It's all on the inside. There's no sweating, no condensation whatsoever on the outside of your water bottles. Like regular water bottles, you'll feel the little wetness from it being cold. No, you're not going to get that on these. There's no chemical taste or odor, and they're easy and lightweight to carry. So all you have to do is get yourself a affordable water bottle that gives you the same as these expensive water bottles. Pop in your diffuser, which is what's going to change your water into alkaline water. You could also pop this into your drinking glass of water. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, and you got alkaline water. Fresh, tasty, clear alkaline water. Simple, easy ways to stay healthy, to drink pure water, clean your water, hydrate your body, detoxify your body, fill your body naturally with fresh, clear water that has no chemicals or heavy metals in it. I mean healthy water that is beneficial to your skin, to your well-being, to your digestion, promotes blood circulation, gives that hydration to your body. Like I said, detoxifies your body. Listen, you can't go wrong, all right? So if you want to be able to have alkaline water, which is the best kind of water that you can actually drink, go to Walmart. I'm going to have links down below this video for those of you who are interested in purchasing this. If you don't have a local Walmart near you, it's easy. You can get free shipping online. So simple, all right? You can also purchase, if you want, you can also purchase these DYLN diffusers, and it does the same thing. They're smaller though. The sticks are much longer. So if you have a big size water bottle like this, you can use the bigger stick. It does the same thing. And within minutes, you are drinking alkaline water, all right? Safe for the family, safe for your children. It's safe for everybody and beneficial for your body. Okay, you can't go wrong with that. You can just go to your local Walmart, see what they have on the shelf, and purchase it that way, as well as purchase those diffuser sticks. Okay, I'm going to purchase those other ones. They're much longer, and I think that's even better for my big size water bottle. But you guys, you cannot go wrong with these wonderful, easy ways of saving money and still reaping the same benefits as those expensive brands out there. Stick with your girl, all right? I'm going to show you these easy ways of saving money and still reaping the same benefits, okay? So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos. Share them with your friends and family. Share them on your social media, Facebook. Share them. Everybody who's trying to live healthier lives, this is what's going to benefit you. There's no fluoride in this water, no type of chemicals, irons, heavy metals. Pure, clear, tasting, fresh, healthy water. All right, so share them with your friends and family, and don't forget to check the links down below this video where you can purchase your own. These are not sponsored. I'm just showing you how to save some coins and get those same benefits, okay? Get the same benefits. You could even do this as a gift for somebody. Carry it around with you, which is what I do during the day. And when I want to have something to drink, I stay away from drinking those sodas, all those unhealthy beverages. I have my healthy water right here, and that's it. So check for the links down below. Also, don't forget to check the Amazon affiliate links down below for the full-size and personal-size NutriBullet blenders, those metal straws, and so much more. Don't forget to also check out my eBay store for the Flat and Firm Belly Detox tonics, the Living Bitters tonics. I got like 5 different types of Living Bitters that's going to help your body, benefit your body, boost your body. This is boosting up your immune system times, okay, with the Rona out there, as well as all sorts of illnesses coming at you, the unhealthy air that we're breathing. You want to boost your immune system up. So I got wonderful immune boosting tonics. The immunity booster tonic, I have that as well in my eBay store, as well as those beautiful honeys, those herbal honeys to boost up everything. Okay, boost it up, y'all. Boost it up. Boost up your manhood. Boost up your ladyhood. You know, just boost you up, all right? And don't forget to check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care, skincare videos, which I haven't done in a while. But I've been doing a lot of family vlogs. And if you don't know by now, your girl is a glamour. So check out those videos where I start to show you how I found out I was going to be a glamour, and all the videos pertaining to my family, all right? So you guys, I thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you want to see more of these wonderful videos, hit that like button, okay? Hit that like button. And even if you don't like it and you thumbs it down, it still helps my channel. So I welcome all you haters as well, all right? Love you too, all right? So thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the link to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below.